Hello everybody, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Simple Man by Lynyrd Skynyrd. This song was recommended to me by Rich Mathers. Thank you, Rich. Now if anybody else, you got any song suggestions for me, just leave them in the comment section down below. Now let's go ahead and get started with this lesson.
Mama told me when I was young, sit beside me, my only son, and listen closely to what I say. If you do, son, it'll help you some sunny day. Oh yeah. Take your time, don't live too fast. Troubles will come, and they will pass. Go find a woman, and you'll find love. And don't forget, son, there is someone up above. Be a simple kind of man. Be something you love and understand. Baby, be a simple kind of man. Won't you do for me, son, if you can? Forget your loves for rich man's gold. All that you need is in your soul, and you can do this, if you try. All that I want for you, my son, is to be satisfied and be a simple kind of man. Be something you love and don't you worry, you'll find yourself. Follow your heart and nothing else. You can do this, oh baby, if you try. All that I want is to be satisfied and be a simple kind of man. Be something you love and understand.
All right, so this is a very, very simple song to play. We've only got 3 chords, and we've got the same 3-chord progression for the entire song. Now, I'm going to be playing the song with my capo on the 3rd fret. You can remove that if you want, if it's too high for you to sing. This is just for my sake when I'm singing the song. So we've got the chords C, G, and A minor 7, and that is the progression. We're going to go from C for 1 measure to G for 1 measure to A minor 7 for 2 measures, and then back again. And that pattern is just going to repeat for the entire song. So once you master that progression, C, G, A minor, then you've got the whole song. Now for strumming, we're going to be using the driving pattern, which is a very simple 4-beat strum pattern. So we're going to have 4 down strums, and then an up strum after beat 4, and then we repeat. And then we're going to be adding emphasis on beats 1 and 3. So every other beat, we're going to be strumming harder on those just to create some dynamics and make it less boring. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, like that. All right, good luck to you as you learn this song. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you can be notified when I come out with new lessons. All right, good luck to you. Take care. See you next time.